So far, we've learned about the main income statement and balance sheet items. We also learned that profit is not always equal to cash. Unfortunately, many businesses forget this fact. They struggle to understand the difference between the two concepts, and in so doing, expose themselves to huge risks. The income statement shows that these companies are profitable, sometimes very profitable, but they can still run out of cash. Why does this happen? For an entrepreneur, only one thing is worse than a cash flow squeeze. A cash flow squeeze that happens when the business is growing and doing well. Imagine a company that has an income statement that shows a profit. At year end, its net income amounts to $1 million. However, in the next 30 days, the company needs to repay a portion of its debt, which is equal to $500,000, and it's struggling to collect $750,000 from two of its clients. The rest of its revenues and expenses have been paid and collected on time. The firm has $300,000 in its bank account, which is insufficient for the debt repayment, and the two clients continue to delay their payment. Is this a profitable business? Yes, it is. Does it have liquidity issues? It certainly does. If the company can't collect the revenues from these two clients, it runs the risk of being unable to repay its loan on time, which, by definition, makes it insolvent. Cash flow generation and liquidity are vital to all businesses. A company must be able to measure the actual amount of money it makes and estimate its future capital needs. The cash flow statement identifies how much cash is coming in and going out, and points out where the cash is generated or spent. It shows whether regular operations generate enough cash to sustain the business. It indicates whether enough cash is made to service existing debt and pay interest expenses. It also shows the amount of money that's being invested and whether or not the firm makes enough money to take advantage of new business opportunities as they arise. Understanding how the cash flow statement functions is a critical task for anyone who wants to work in business and finance. Pay attention to the next few lessons. Everything will be shown with no steps skipped.